I'm from the Taj Convention Hotel from Agra. So this is my very special, especially for the pashmina, which is you might be know about the pashmina is a wool which we get the neck part of baby lamb that is very soft and very warm. And secondly, these all the needle work which we done in Agra. We have 250 family in Agra, those who work at home, like to father, to son, then to grandson, they don't teach to anyone. They belong to all Muslim family. So this is the work like a small industries. So they all exempted from taxes. In Agra, you have pay no any tax. That's all.
So what is the prices starting from?
Price is starting from the, you see, like 1,200 rupees, then onwards, depend on the work and quality. Which mixed with the silk and pashmina. So this is the reversible, it can be used from both sides. And this is the pashmina. And this is the piece which passed through the ring, such a small ring, this can be. And next, this is my needle work, which we done in Agra special. So we have lot of color, lot of designs in this. And this is with the silk, with silk weaving, also pashmina and the silk mix. So the same types we make like this, the jackets. This is also made out of pashmina, especially for the ladies. After that we make like this Nehru jacket. Nowadays you can say it's a Modi jacket, which is very popular, also made out of pashmina. Totally happy. That's all from my shop. And here we have a more shopping arcade also, like a jewelry, handicraft work, and especially marble inlay work. That's all.
Namaste. And this is a nice handicraft shop also, and we have, that is the marble dust also we have, and this is, we have cultured marble. This is very exclusive in my shop. All this we have, and you can see the down also. This is the marble dust, and that's specialty of this one, that you can the washable this fabric. And we have something like this, and this is, if you want some Meena work, all that we have. This is a brass, and there's on the Meena painting on this we have.
So what is the prices?
And this is the price also very reasonable, so about some 800 rupees, 700 rupees starting for we have. And see, and that is, we have the natural oils, aroma oils we have, and that is for fragrance. And we have incense sticks, and we have the Taj Mahal, and we have memory of the Taj we have inside the videos, and the 3D quality pictures we have inside the books also we have. And that's the nice handicrafts for them, good for the resin. This is the, all are the handmade. This is not the machine one, this all are the handmade ones. You see elephant, Ganesha, well, this is the same also, like this, the smaller things.
So what's the price of this?
And this is for the starting all 400 rupees, 300 rupees. That's type was because according the size we have. Okay, and that is for this. This is a brass with a stone, and we have a starting about is 2,500 rupees, 2,000 rupees, something like that. And you can see this one, and that is for the handicraft shops. And this is exclusive for resin also, same like this material we have.
Okay.
And you can see this one, and that is for the wooden elephant. We have the wooden in the see the lot of varieties and the pictures. So many things we have. All varieties we have hand or jari work. That is what the prices we have about 5,000, 6,000 rupees according this. And that is for marble dust. Sorry, in crystal one. This is a very unique. You can see for every part. So you can see this beautiful things. So nice.
So price?
This is price also is 700 rupees, 750, 700 rupees. And that is we have the wooden one. You can see. This is wood or this is made of teak wood. This wood is you on down the water also. It is not broken. While this is teak wood is a very special. And what we have this handicrafts. And this is for and bronze. Well, this is the breakable, by the way. This is the breakable or this item. The specialty for this is you can see the faces. This is very naturality. You can see this one also here. One more step here.
So what is the price of this Shiva?
It's 25,000 rupees
Okay.
in the Shiva. And see the beautiful in Krishna we have in the region also. Painting is the totally handmade.
Okay.
Yeah, the price about is 28,000 rupees. Sorry.
Okay.
And see this we have the special for tea. We all for the India the manufacturing for the tea we have the all different flavors.
Okay.
Vanilla, masala. Well, the price also 400 rupees.
Okay.
300 rupees we have starting. And then we have this is the brass section.
Okay.
For this is for the uses for the in looking like for is Raja Maharaja, and that's is beautiful things we have. See, that is what smallest we have starting for 600 rupees. Yes, please. That is the brass also we have, and the wooden and the brass, all the same material also like this Siva also we have. This is the breakable. This is unbreakable also we have. And see this, you can see this. This is for tea mugs वगैरह, and then cups and tea and Raja Maharaja and periods also long time. That you can see also beautiful. We have the all of range also 1,000 rupees to 2,500 rupees. That is section.
So what about this thing?
Yeah, and that is
Yeah.
that is for souvenir also for like this is for usable, but this is showpiece piece. For then you put on the house also. That is much better also. Beautiful.
So what is the price of this?
About this is 12,000 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah, and that is we have nice keychain for souvenirs from relative for Taj Mahal also. Something beautiful collection I have. And the price also is 150 rupees like that. And that is we have the flower was something like this. And the price is this handwork also you can see. This is totally handmade. Undercut also is beautiful. This is stone. But the price also is 10,000, 11,000 rupees, something like that. And this is for special for camel bone. That is the price about is something 75,000 rupees. But this is the every piece is for the joint for the real camel bone makeup.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so beautiful, nice chessboard. So things beautiful collection. And that's and we have the Nash part all we have wooden work. See this? It's so nice. For the all are the wooden work. And this is the plain wood we have undercut also. Baby inside. After the price is of 1,500 rupees. And that price also is 2,500 rupees also with the price. Beautiful range of. Also this is same material we have for the marble dust also white one.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about this Shiva? This thing?
And that is Siva.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, this is Siva also a beautiful collection. We have Siva also nice. What this is for is very powerful god of in India. And the price of it is 9,500 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah, and this is for the faces in this cow faces on the in you on the put in the house also is beautiful things we have nice. And see the faces on the wall. Okay. For the price of it is 7,500 rupees something.
Okay.
That's fine.
So what are all these things?
Yeah, that is for postcards.
Okay.
We have somebody I'm giving for the is for complimentary like this every shop something buy.
Okay.
That is so nice for Taj Mahal one.
Okay. So what's the price of this?
This is for about starting for is 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
Yes. Branded collection. And we have the starting also is 50 rupees to 500 rupees we have, and you can see, and that is the wooden one, and we have the metal one also, and this is the metal with magnet and the with opener, with bottle opener like that. And you can see, please come they here, and that is we have, see, this is for Kashmir, all made of the saffron, and that is for the, we have the beautiful magnets, you can see this, it's so beautiful.
So it all starts from?
They started also 50 rupees, so we have starting all 50 rupees and then 500 rupees also for the last, for the magnet we have. Well, my shop is the near to Taj, also is Taj Convention. This my shop is starting is 50 rupees magnet. Is no possible, is how can possible this? But this is I'm maintained for the quality, and for the is for the Taj Mahal prices of the 50 rupees. Nobody give you for that one. But this is actually is quality is very good, and the price it will be good price for the every person also. So the happy with my shop. That is for everything.
Namaste.
Namaste.
My name is Sunil Jain. It's a shop name is Sri Lakshmi Gems ke naam. And these are all real stones, precious and semi-precious stones, emerald diamond, ruby diamond, and sapphire diamond, or gold setting and all silver setting. Your reasonable price. The hotel shop is Taj Hotel. Taj Convention.
So what will be the range from?
The range minimum is 2,000 rupees and more than 1,50,000 something.
Okay. What's more special about this shop?
This is special. This is the Indian star ruby and cat's eye, and emerald ruby and sapphire. The main stones like that.
Okay.
And one for like this special pendant. This is marble inlay work like this. Marble inlay work pendant.
So it's for keychain?
No, this is a pendant locket.
Okay, lockets.
These are lockets.
Okay. These are all bracelets?
Bracelets. These are bracelets here. These are all rings. Precious and semi-precious stones. All rings. This is topaz like this one, and this is malachite stones. So these are Indian jade elephants, and this is Ganesha, and embroidery purses in Agra, very special like that. This is beautiful hand embroidery, all hand embroidery.
So what is the price of this thing?
This is 2,000 rupees.
2,000.
Yes, minimum 2,000 and more than 6,000 rupees.
You can find sizes in this thing?
Pardon?
You can find sizes in this
Yes.
thing? Okay. So what's the price of this?
This is 5,000 rupees like that.
Okay.
And one more like this one, we call Taj Mahal, elephants, camel, and these flowers, and these wall hanging flowers. These all real gem stones, semi-precious stones. Hand embroidery, like this hand,
Okay.
jari work.